Hey everyone, my name is Clifford from the Compressor Warehouse. The purpose of this video is to go over Fuse5 and Rep Parts Management on how to create a sales order. We do, just so you know, we distribute automotive air conditioning auto parts. We use the WD feature of this program. So, however, it is available for shops and jobbers as well. It's really simple to use this point of sale, and I'm just going to do a quick 2-minute video on how to create a sale. So the first thing to do is go to sales order, create sales order. If you're already in the sales order, you can always open a new one by hitting the little plus sign. As you can see here, I opened up another sales order. Finding the account is really simple. Once you have the system, you can set it up by setting a default account. Hit the little guy there, you can see that these are my 2 default accounts I have, or you can just search by the name that you have in the account. If it is a auto parts store, definitely put the first 4 numbers of their store number at the beginning. So let's say, for example, I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. You're going to see every account that starts with the 1, 2, 3, 4. There happens to be, all the big guys have these, right? So let's go ahead and select select the shop. As you can see, I have the option to do purchase order number. I have my warehouse I'm looking at over here, and I also have all my different shipping options. And from there, you can add your products down here, and as everyone knows, you likely don't know the numbers of the products that you're selling unless it's real popular. Usually, if you're in the WD business or manufacturer business, this can be by catalog, year, make, model. So Fuse5 does have a really cool catalog. They have another one that they're actually customizing for us that will be available for everybody. And I'm not going to show everyone how to use a year, make, model. So let's just go ahead and take a look at a recent search. So here's a 97 Chevy C1500, and as you can see, it populated all this different information. And then from there, there's a lot of different ways to add a part to the order. I can select one of these fields here, or I can just hit the little shopping cart. So it looks like we have 10 of these at our warehouse, and the one I'm in right now, and then we have another. We don't have any at the other warehouse. Also, if you want to look at images, you can hit this little website icon. What this does is actually pulls up additional images if they are available. And let's go ahead and add this to the order. As you can see, we've added that part number. I have my sale price here. And then from there, I have the option to send it over to pending parts verification, which is something we do. We can bypass that. From there, you can charge the customer. So this thing integrates directly with credit card processors. And so you can charge them credit card, cash, check. You can do split payments, for example. If it's a delivery, you can do COD. And then it does integrate with a delivery application called Elite Extra. And so a really cool system. I can also quote it, which is typically how we get calls in, because we sell to shops or we sell to someone, or an auto parts store we sell to someone else. So usually it's a 2-call process. We'll hit quote it, and then from there I have the option of saving it with a specific name. I can save it as pending, or I can email it if I want. So let's say, for example, I want to put in their email address. I can just type it in right here. So a lot of different options when you do quote it. And let's go ahead and hit it. And now it's saved. And that is my sales order. I hope you appreciated this video about Fuse5 software. It's automotive software for the aftermarket. We do not have any type of an interest in this company. Just literally doing this to help the community. And if you have any questions, feel free to make a comment. If you want to learn more about this particular software, there will be more videos, so please subscribe. Or if you're into automotive air conditioning parts or automotive aftermarket parts, please subscribe as well. We will have more videos coming up every day.